The Ajazz Ak820 and Ak820Pro present themselves as versatile mechanical keyboards designed to meet a range of user preferences. This device aims to bridge the gap between dedicated gaming performance and comprehensive customization, offering a compelling package for various desktop environments. At its core, this is a gaming mechanical keyboard, signaling a focus on responsive input and tactile feedback crucial for competitive play and satisfying typing. Performance is further enhanced by its multi-mode connectivity options. Users can choose between a stable Bluetooth 5.1 connection, a responsive wireless link, or a direct C-wired connection for maximum reliability. A significant aspect of its design is the customized keyboard designation, underscored by hot swapping capabilities. This allows for effortless switch replacement without soldering, empowering users to fine-tune their typing feel. Furthermore, the inclusion of a gasket mounting system contributes to a distinct typing experience, often characterized by a softer, more consistent keypress feel. Given its robust feature set, the Ajazz Ak820/Ak820Pro finds practical application in several scenarios. For gamers, the mechanical switches and reliable connectivity provide a solid foundation for immersive sessions. Beyond gaming, its multi-mode wireless capabilities make it an ideal candidate for productivity setups, allowing seamless switching between multiple devices such as a PC, tablet, or a laptop. The hot swapping feature particularly appeals to keyboard enthusiasts and those who wish to experiment with different switch types to achieve their perfect typing sensation, adapting the keyboard to evolving needs or preferences. In terms of usability, the integrated knob stands out as a practical addition, typically offering intuitive control over functions like volume or media playback without needing to access software menus. The overall design, implied by its mechanical nature and gasket mount, suggests a focus on durability and a refined typing experience. The combination of multiple connectivity options,